Hello everyone, my name is Chase Robinson, and this is my video for the Scan Design Foundation for Environmental Sustainability. But before we get into it, I just wanted to kind of do a brief introduction about myself. My name is Chase Robinson. I'm from Jackson, Mississippi. I was raised in Bastrop, Louisiana. Louisiana is where I received my bachelor's in mechanical engineering from Southern University and A&M College. I also just recently received my master's in advanced energy systems from the Colorado School of Mines. The Advanced Energy Systems is a joint program between the National Renewable Energy Laboratory and Colorado School of Mines. I do research at the National Renewable Energy Laboratory as a graduate student, and I get my degree awarded from Colorado School of Mines. And that's just a little bit about my background and what I've been doing professionally for the past couple of years. Besides that, I'm in Colorado. Colorado's beautiful, plenty of mountains. I've been biking, enjoying an e-bike, hiking as much as I can. Winter's coming, so trying to enjoy as much of the weather as I can before it gets too cold. And yeah, let's just get into it. So I would say there are two things that are inspiring me to pursue this opportunity. The first one being is my passion for impact, and the second one being is to get out of my bubble. Focusing on that first point, um, most of my career, I've structured it to work on some sort of passion or having an impact for community. I worked at NASA for some time because I thought that was pushing forward humanity's space exploration endeavors. But due to just climate change, the impacts that we're seeing all around the world, uh, different personal experiences with not seeing the environment treated as it should be, pushed me to focus more on environmental sustainability, pursuing a career with the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, things such as that. The second one being the second point of getting out of my bubble, as I understand, Europe is further ahead in some of the environmental laws and environmental regulations and just sustainability practices in general. So I would love the opportunity to learn and just bring that back to America and see if I can bring things from America into Europe as well and make a better impact-driven solution. So I think this aligns with all three of these goals. From a personal perspective, it gets me out of my bubble. I get the opportunity to go make new friends, make new connections, and just immerse myself in an entirely different culture and way of thinking. From an academic perspective, I think it gives me the opportunity to learn and acquire information from a totally new source. And in order to teach effectively, I think you should go and acquire as much perspective as you can, and that way you can teach better and create a better product and just engineered solution and have a greater impact with the more perspective you know. And as for career goals, I think this aligns perfectly because I want to start a modular housing construction company here in the States. So anything that I can learn regarding construction sustainability best practices in a place like Denmark would be fantastic. I know Denmark is great with its transportation infrastructure, and my professors kind of raved about it in some of my energy transportation classes. So learning from that sort of expertise would be fantastic, and I hope to contribute to their information as well. Yeah, so I think it would be very interesting to see how the Danish culture implements an engineered solution for the betterment of society. Here in the United States, we go through a lot of political back and forths, and this can slow down innovation. And it would be very interesting to see how the Danish culture and thus really society implements incentives for incentivizing environmental sustainability and other green energy and environmental efforts. During my time in undergrad, I was the president of the National Society of Black Engineers, and I learned quite a bit from that experience. Just how to juggle the relationship between, I guess, students and the student frustration between the academic institution, and then also how to motivate an executive board to accomplish tasks when they are not being paid to do anything. It's just all, for the community and for the love of the game, really. Yeah, so when I was 17, I took a bus ride across the country. The total trip was about 29 hours. It was from Louisiana to Ohio. I was chasing down a pipeline oil and gas job, and that whole experience taught me that things are going to go incredibly wrong. You are going to be in uncharted waters and very strange lands, and yeah, you just got to roll with the punches and laugh at all the things that do go wrong and just enjoy the things that go right. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I hope to be hearing back from you. Thank you.